Hello students, now we have studied the standard 10th mathematics part 1 and part 2, the academic year 2021-2022, the bridge course given by the SCRT, the course having the 45 days. After 15 days they have a one test, and after 30 days they have second test, and after 45 days they have the last final test. So now we have solved the first test for standard 10th. अगर आपका कोविड की वजह से कुछ आपके बेसिक कंसेप्ट अधूरे हैं, कुछ बच्चे वीक हैं, उनके कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है, कुछ छूट न जाए, इसलिए SCRT ने प्रोग्राम जाहिर किया है। और उसके बाद उसके ऊपर 15 डेज़ के बाद एक टेस्ट रखी हुई है, बच्चों की कितनी पढ़ाई हुई, कहाँ से पढ़ाई हुई, कितना उनका आउटपुट आ रहा है। ऑफलाइन ये टेस्ट सॉल्व करना है और आपको उसकी प्रैक्टिस करना है, तभी हम वो टेस्ट सॉल्व करेंगे। जैसे ही जो टेस्ट 1 है आपकी, यहाँ पर टेस्ट 1 ब्रिज कोर्स दे रहा है। क्वेश्चन चूज़ द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको वो टेस्ट नज़र आएगी। जैसे आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो भी टेस्ट है वो आपको देखने को मिलेगी। वो जो टेस्ट है यहाँ पर आ रही है कि सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव एंड फिल इन द blanks in the following alternatives. They are having the 4 marks. If A is equal to set of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and B is equal to set of A, C, E, and set grow C is equal to A, E, E, then which statement is the true? तो आपको दिया जा रहा है कि उसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है। जो भी स्टेटमेंट है वहाँ पर, जैसे कि B सबसेट ऑफ C, दैट इज़ द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज there have the all elements of the B present in the set A, elements of the set A and D does not present in the set A. Then the second, a transversal intersect the two parallel lines. If the measure of one angle is 40 degree, then the measure of the corresponding angle is there what? So there have the answer having the there is a 40 because the 4 pairs of correspondence angles are congruent to each other, then that are the same. So see there, solve this example in this paper. So that is the A is equal to set B, B is equal to set of this, D is equal to set, then which statement is the true? The B subset of A, because all elements of set B is present in the set A. The next question, a transversal intersect the two parallel lines. If the measure of one of the angle is 40 degree, then the measure of correspondence angle is 40 degree. The corresponding angles are congruent is here. Then in the diagram, so there is the correspondence angle. So when the two, that is a parallel lines, then correspondence angles are congruent to each others. So that is a 40 degree angle. Correspondence angle is here 40 degrees, so that is congruent to each other by means of here the two parallel lines intersect each other. This is correspondence angles are congruent to each other, then this congruent to each other, then this, then another also, that is there is the two pair, in here is the two pairs. So coefficient form of the polynomial, the next question, there is the degree having the more than degree less than 1 about the coefficient, and coefficient form is more than 1. So there is a degree 2 and the coefficient form is 1, 2 and 3. So that is a 2 minus 5, 12. So this is the coefficient form. Already we have see in the standard 9th is here. स्टैंडर्ड 9th में हमने ये चीज़ें देखी है. Then next question, the two parallel lines are intersect each other if the measure of one of the interior angle is 50 degree, then the measure of the angle is what? So there is a sum of the interior angle is the 180 degree. So having there one angle is 50 degree, then C है A plus B. So here C, अगर तुम्हारे दो लाइनें यहाँ पर पैरेलल है और इंटीरियर एंगल की जमा तुम्हारे 180 है, तो एक अगर 50 है तो 50 प्लस x दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. 80 डिग्री है वहाँ पर, तो 80 डिग्री में से वो कट हो जाएगा और वहाँ पे जैसे कि 180 180 minus, that is the 50 degree, so therefore is equal to 130 degree. So all the angle is 130 degree as other angle, because the interior angles are supplementary to each other. Then when two distinct lines intersect each other, then how many points are there when the two lines are intersect each other? So there have only one point is there. So see here, two lines are intersect each other, only one point is intersect each other. There is the two lines intersect each other, and then only one intersection point is there. So the next question, Q is the midpoint. Point Q is the midpoint of segment QR, segment PR. If PR is equal to 10 centimeter, then find PQ. So Q is the midpoint of the segment PR. So Q is the see here, Q is the midpoint, P, Q, and R. Then there is a Q is the midpoint. So there have that is the PR. PQ is equal to 1/2 into the PR. PR, there is a distance of PR is 10 centimeter, and half of the 10, there is the 5 centimeter. So PQ is equal to 5. So here the some question 2 has solved this example. Then now we have solved now. Okay, and number third, coordinates of the point A and B are -5 and 3 respectively. That is the distance formula. Distance AB, there is a -1 is the negative number, less number. The subtract the smaller number from bigger. पॉजिटिव जो नंबर होते हैं, दो छोटे होते हैं, वो भी बड़े होते हैं. निगेटिव बड़े रहने के बाद भी छोटे हैं. दैट इज साइन डिपेंड अपॉन साइन. देर इज 3 + 5 and we have get is equal to 8. So there the distance AB is equal to 8. Solve the following example. In figure, line RP parallel to line MS, and then line DK is the transversal. Angle DHP is 85 degree, and find the measure of the angle RHD. So RHD plus DHP, that is 180 degree. Then that is angle in a linear pair. So linear pair, there is a straight angle, there is 180 degree. एक लाइन पे जो एंगल्स होते 180 होते. So RHD, then there has plus 85 is 180 degree. Then there is RHD 95. So PHG is equal to RHD, that is vertical opposite angle. So in vertical opposite angle, then that is the PHD, RHD are same, and therefore that is the PHD is equal to 95 degree. Okay, there is vertical opposite angle, and angle of linear pair is given is there. So next, HGS is equal to DHP, that is correspondence angle is here. So see here, correspondence angle, because the measure of angle is congruent to each other. Then vertical opposite angles. Write down the set of even prime number from 1 to 25. There is a even prime only one. The prime number is started from 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 2 is a even. So therefore only one number is there, even prime number. Then B is equal to that is set, empty set. Then number of B, how many elements of the set B? There is 0 elements. That is also called null set or empty set. That is a null set or empty set. Then simplify the 4x square plus 7x minus 1. The minus x square plus 8x minus 7 plus x square plus 10 has the given. The last question is there. So see here. So that is simplify 4x square plus 7x minus 1, and then minus x square, that is a plus minus 8x, and then plus 7 and minus plus 7. See here, so plus 7, then plus x square plus 10 in bracket is there. So we solving this, the final answer is 4x square minus x plus 16 is there. 4x square plus 7x minus 7 minus x square, and there is a plus x square. So that is get cancelled. So 4x square is remains plus 8x 7x minus 8x So there is a 1x is here, and then minus 1, minus minus 1 and minus 1 plus 7. So and here is 10, 17, 17 minus 1, that is a 16. So that is the answer as simplify for 4x square minus x plus 16. So in this paper, and the last sum is the simplify the 3 root 2 plus root 8 minus 50. So there is the 3 root 2 and the 8, simply factorize 4 into 2. Then there is the minus root 5. So there is 25 to the 50. Then there is the 3 root 2 plus 2, there is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Then minus 25, there is a square root is the 5 root 2. That is the number as here. So ration number 3 plus 2 minus 5, and there is a multiplication in between root 2. So that is we have studied now the all numbers, and these papers we should be solved here. So 3 marks, having the 8 4 marks, 3 marks, and already the simplify, that is the after 16 day 16 को ये पेपर सॉल्व करके दिया है. तो इसको अच्छे से आप इसको प्रैक्टिस कर लो, और यहाँ पर बताया गया है. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है आपका, और आपको समझने वाला हिस्सा है ये. तो